so we're going to do the unboxing and I'm going to do a quick review of my experience so far on buying this product from Amazon. So what you're seeing here is ResQTech pressure washer for car. It comes from different companies, American Mechanic and then Bosch and Karcher and so many things. I bought this one because it's got the most amount of reviews and ratings on Amazon, and it's got more power. Actually, most of those are 120. This one is 135 bar, so that's gonna be cool. So this is not a full review. I'm gonna do a different video showing how it works and the review thing. It's an unboxing, but I'll share one experience that when I ordered it and the moment they were planning to ship this product from ResQTech, they kind of called me up and told that they're gonna ship this product and I'm gonna get it soon. So that's a nice gesture from their side. And okay, one thing, first thing first, if you don't like the way I'm speaking, please move on, and it's not gonna change. I speak this way. All right, so let's open the box, and we're gonna do that with the knife that I got. I'm gonna leave the link of the product in the description. You wanna go check it out, you can do that. So there are a few other reasons why I bought this product. I'm going to talk about that the moment I review it, or unbox it. So what you get here is a thing like this, which has all their product range. I think they've got many product ranges, and they kind of stamped it, so you got nice warranty going on in there. And here's the price. I think you can have a zoom action where you can see the price. Right, so that's it. And you get something more also. They say this is a how to use manual sort of a thing, kind of printed in black and white. That's useful. What else we got? Okay, so it talks about different products that they have and how you can use those. I guess that's a brochure sort of thing. And here's the actual box. So the external carton is outside carton. There's an inside carton also. Let me get it out. Alright, flip it over, and here we go. Branding looks pretty good, color is nice, it looks like a robot sort of thing with a gun in here. That's the gun, and that's how it looks. It's a 1700 watt stuff with 135 bars is pressure, and the water flow and stuff like that, that's written on it. And in the side panel you get to see how to use these things. So just here, check this out, and this is one of the reasons why I bought this thing. It's a self-priming system. Now there are many self-priming systems, which simply means that it can pull water. It don't have to connect it to a tap. It can pull water, but at the same time, what they're doing is they're giving this filtered small sort of a pipe. I don't have to buy this. This thing costs, all right, and then you gotta fit it out and all that thing. They're giving it with this package. The second thing that I'm buying it for is that they're giving their, at least they say it on Amazon, they're giving their 90-degree nozzle, which is really handy when it comes to cleaning the underneath of the car. I think for a limited period offer or something like that. But anyway, that's a cool thing. Anything else we got? Yeah, let's open it up and see what we got inside. And we're gonna crack open this seal again. Here we go. All right, so you can see all these things, and here comes out the first thing for which I'm buying it, which is a hose, which one side the valve attached. The whole fitting is there, and see it's a filter so that your machine is not screwed up. So that's a cool thing. Let's keep it aside. And then there are things that are going to come out. All right, so you got all these fittings, all right. Different sort of valves and stuff. I gotta know. I mean, I don't know what these are, so I gotta find out. I gotta read the manual and fix it up and make a different video, but these are the things that are coming in. Keep it in here. What else we got? Okay, we got this actual firing hose. So this is the outlet hose, all right? It's not the inlet. So this goes into the machine, this goes to the gun. And I think it's 5 meters based on what they mentioned on Amazon. Keep it aside. What else we got? Okay, we got the barrel for the gun. And we got the gun itself. All right, this is the handle for the machine, and this is gonna come out of this. So we got this stuff, which is like, it's not a foam gun, right? It's just a washer sort of thing. Then you got these two things, which is like 2 wheels for the machine. And let's pull the machine out. So here's the actual machine, which looks pretty cool. Here's the outlet hose and different other stuff going on, the cable, and you can fix these things. These are like wheels. I'm gonna fix it up and make the second video, so I'll call them up and let you know. I hope you liked this video. If you did, let me know by liking it, showing that it's helpful. Alright, have an awesome life, folks. Ciao.